Hi, I am Ilshad, and today I will be demonstrating how to sync your Stripe data to your Supabase project. Codeless Sync is a simple tool that allows you to sync your API data to your PostgreSQL. Almost any platform is available, and we've got more APIs coming besides Stripe. So once you sign in, go to your dashboard, and let's create a sync. So we create sync configuration, Stripe, and data type we are going to select customers for now. Select next, and then project setup, and this is just to connect to your Supabase project. So demo Supabase project, we leave that as that. We now need the connection string, so we go to our Supabase dashboard and find our project, and we need to find a connection string, and we select transaction pooler. This is the most efficient method, and we need to copy this connection string, but as you can see, you have to put your database password in there. So let's just do that right now. Copy that, and here's a notepad. This is the database project for this particular project, so we'll just copy that, and we need to replace this bit here with the password, and that's it. So now we got our connection string. Just copy this and go back to Codeless Sync and paste it here, and let's see if it worked. Perfect, connected successfully. Now we can go ahead and connect with our Stripe API key. So go to our Stripe dashboard and select developers, API keys. We can use the secret key, but Stripe recommends using restricted key. So we'll go ahead and do that. Select providing this key to another website. Continue. Give it a name. Supabase Stripe key. We need to give it a URL, which is the Codeless Sync domain. Just simply copy this, paste this here, leave this unchecked, create restricted key, and there it is. Now we just simply copy the token and come back to Codeless Sync and finish the process. Test connection, connection successful. And we will auto create our table within Supabase. That was successful, and now just finished off the config by giving it a name. So demo Supabase Stripe customers. Okay, and everything looks good, so go ahead and create sync configuration, and there it is. We've done it. We have created our config. So let's have a look at our Supabase and see if the table exists. Go to table editor, and there it is, Stripe customers. And as you can see, there's no data in it, but the columns are all set and ready to go. So let's sync our Stripe data within this database, this table. So we can sync through this button here, or we can go inside and select various of other options, but we'll do the full sync. So let's see how that goes. Give it a second. Okay, successfully. Now let's go back to Supabase and refresh the table, and there you go. It has successfully synced our data. Data column is the most important because it contains the whole object. In our case, the customer object. So we got the whole customer object right here. So you can manually sync this every day if you want, or you can let Codeless Sync do the scheduling for you, so it will automatically sync it for you, so you don't have to keep coming back and manually syncing this. So go back to Codeless Sync and let's create a schedule. Create a schedule, select the config that we have just created. Next, and we are going to sync once every day. and we're going to sync the last day, which is basically any new customers that's come in the last 24 hours will be saved into our Postgres Supabase. Hour of day, we'll just leave it as default, creating, and we have successfully created our schedule. And as you can see, next schedule run is in about 19 hours, 11 a.m. Yep, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.